सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. ॐ. Page 176, verse 137. प्रसरन्ति हि चोद्यानी जगद्वस्तुत्ववादिषु न चोदनीयं मायायाम् तस्याचोद्यैकरूपतः. When the topic of the creation of this world comes, the many systems of philosophies are charging the Advaiti, what is your contention about this creation? Many other systems means when Nyaya Vaiseshika philosopher raises a question about the creation, this Sankhya Yoga philosopher says creation is a Satkaryavadam. Satkaryavada means the creation was there in Brahman before it is coming into existence. Satkaryavada. In Brahma Sutra we are seeing, when the Sankhya philosopher raises a question about the creation, this Nyaya Vaiseshika philosopher says creation was not there before, it is Asatkaryavada. They introduce their Asatkaryavada. When they argue, Sankhya philosopher come and argues, it is Satkaryavada. So like this, people are arguing each other here, one after the other, trying to negate others. Then Buddhist also comes with another, his own Sanghatavada, he argues. Now, when we don't want to answer Advaitin, we are silent regarding this creation matter, subject matter. But he is not keeping quiet. So he comes and tell me, what is creation? So you go on pricking like. Advaiti is sitting very cool, relaxed, sipping nice sweet juice, enjoying. He is not interested in arguing. That Purvapakshis, other philosophers, are very much annoyed. We are all arguing so much, why you are keeping quiet? Come on, tell me something about it. Then what to do? We have to say something for them. So our Advaita philosophers says, when they ask like that, what about this creation? We use one word, it is Maya. It is Maya. Anirvachaniyam. It is Anirvachaniyam, inexplicable. Anirvachaniyam means Nirvachaniyam means explicable. Anirvachaniyam means inexplicable. It is inexplicable, Anirvachaniyam or Maya. All these philosophers, they are all called in one word in this shloka 137, Jagad Vastutva Vadinaha. They are all called Jagad Vastutva Vadis. What do you mean by Jagat Vastutvavadi? Jagat means world. Vastutva means really existent. For those people or for those philosophers for whom the world is really there. 100% it is real. Vastutva means what? Really existent. Anartham. What is that really existent? Jagat. Jagad Vastutva. World is really there. Vadi means argumentators. Vadishu, among them, among those philosophers who talk about the existence of the world, which is real for them, they argue questions, they raise questions. When did it come? How did it come? Then what is the purpose of this creation? Naturally, all these questions are possible. When you accept Jagat is real, when did it come? Manufactured when? What is its nature? What is the purpose of this world? From where did it come? How did it come? So many questions are possible. Based on what? The assumption. What assumption? Whole world is really born. Really is there. Once you have that notion or that thought, all these questions are possible. So based on these questions and having that idea in the mind, he is expecting an answer from an Advaiti. From us, he is expecting an answer. Then prasaranti means arise. What arise? Chodhyani prasaranti. Chodhyani means questions. Doubts and questions arise. For whom? Jagadvastu vadishu. For those people, in those minds, those who are entertaining that Jagat is real. According to them, Jagat is real. For that reason, they are getting a lot of questions in their mind. Chodhyani, prasaranti. We don't have such a problem. Why did it come? When did it come? What is the purpose? We don't get those because we are not Jagat Vastutva Vadinaha. According to us, there is no world. That's why these questions are not relevant for us. But for them, they are all relevant. That is why Jagad Vastu you can put in 4 ways. Jagad Vastu means Vasati, that exists. Or Jagad Asti, second way of presentation. Jagad Vastu or Jagad Asti or Jagat Satyam, all are synonyms. Jagat Satyam or Jagat Sat. Jagat Vastu, Jagat Sat, Jagat Satyam, Jagat Asti. So when they have this assumption, they are putting a question. When we say this Maya, what happens? He thinks this is the answer. When we say it is Anirvachaniyam, Maya, he is taking it as an answer. It is not an answer actually. These are all very technical portions. When we say it is Anirvachaniyam, Maya, then he leveled us what? You are always escaping without giving description by just answering with 2 letters. What are those 2 letters? Maya. You are hiding by saying just word Maya. Giving answer, a short answer, and you are escaping. But Vidyaranya says, I have never given answer to you. This is not my answer. You are thinking this is answer. I am not responsible if you think it is an answer. Maya is not an answer at all. When you ask, what is this world? I said, because you are pestering me all the time, that's why I said just Maya, word I have given. You are taking it as an answer. That is not answer. I will tell you that is a question. Maya is a question. It is a question mark. My Maya word, when I use Anirvachaniyam or Maya, it is a Chodyam. It is another question I am putting to you. May you look into the existence of Maya. What is that world? May you inquire into that world. That is my question to you. That is not answer. Maya is not the answer. Ne prasaranti hi chodyani jagadvastu vadishu na chodaniyam mayayam. Never take it as a question, mayayam na chodaniyam. May you not put a question on Maya. I said Maya. Again you are asking question, what is Maya you are asking? Na chodaniyam mayayam. When I answer it is Maya, you are again asking what is Maya. You are putting a question upon my question. Maya is a question. This is not answer. Your assumption is it is an answer. That's why again you are putting a question. Chodanam. Chodanam means question. Chodana means question. Mayayam na chodaniyam. May you not question on Maya. What is a question? How can you put a question on a question? Because on your assumption, world is there, world asti, world is vastu, jagad asti, jagat sat, satyam. With that assumption you are asking me question. I said it is Maya. It is Maya means what? It has to be inquired. You have to inquire into its existence, whether really it is there or not. First you inquire. You want to solve this world. What is this world you want to solve? I am asking you, inquire into that. Never ask about the question on Maya. Never ask the question on Maya. On the other hand, my Maya word I am used as a question to you. May you first ask yourself, your assumption is right or not? Your assumption itself you have to question, not questioning me. What is your assumption? Your assumption is world is existent. I said it is Maya. So, na chodaniyam mayayam. Why? Tasyaha chodyaika rupataha. Tasyaha means mayayaha. Chodyaika rupataha. It is a big question mark. Maya means what? How can I give description? How can I give description? You are having your assumption, world is there, and you are asking me the description of the world. I say it is Maya. How can I give description? How can I explain on what is inexplicable? What is inexplicable? How can I explain? Some technical terms, all these are, just try to grasp. Varnanam yogyasya avarnanam doshaha. These are all very logical presentations. Varnanam yogyasya. See, whatever can be describable, varnanam yogyasya. That which has got describability. Nam English, don't search in dictionary. Describability means that which has got an yogyata of describing. No? Now I can describe this flower. Yogyata. Asti. What yogyata? I can talk about this flower. It has got a form, color. Yogyata asti. Varnana yogyata. Varnana means what? Description. Description yogyata asti. So, varnana yogyasya avarnanam doshaha. That which has got describability, if I won't describe, it is a dosha. which has got a describability, means it has got a varnana yogyata. What I have to do? I can describe, I have to describe. That which can be describable has to be described. Avarnanam dosha. If I don't describe, it is a dosha. When it has got a describability, that nature, it form, it is having, if I don't do description, it is a dosha. Varnanam yogyasya avarnanam doshaha. I don't want to describe it. It is inexplicable. Can I say it is anirvachaniyam? What is anirvachaniyam? It has got a form, color, everything. Can you describe it? Yes, I can describe. Varnanam yogyasya avarnanam doshaha. Now, next, lakshana yogyasya alakshanam doshaha. Once it has got a lakshanam, some futures it has got lakshanam irukka illaya idukku. Lakshana yogyasya alakshanam doshaha. Well, lakshaname illanu sonna adu oru dosham. Lakshana yogyam. Yogyatana capacity, qualification. Lakshana yogyasya alakshanam dosha. Enna alakshama poindirukke. When you are supposed to answer me, alakshama poindirukke enna laksham pannamale poindirukke enna. Laksham panna vendiya vaarthai neenga laksham pannamale polama. Adu doshama illaya? Adu madri. Ennamo I hope I am communicating. Okay, I will try my best. Lakshana yogyasya alakshanam doshaha. So, lakshana ayogyasya lakshana ayogyasya alakshanam doshaha. Lakshana ayogyayaha mayayaha lakshanam akadhanam katham asmakam dosham bhavati. Now, explain pandre. I enjoy these words, that's why I am trying to present. Lakshana ayogyasya mayayaha. Maya doesn't have any lakshanam. It is lakshana ayogyaha. Tamil சொல்லுவாள் அயோக்கிய பையனேன்னு சொல்லுவாள். மாயாயாஹ லக்ஷண அயோக்கியஸ்யாஹ. மாயாயாஹ. அயோக்கியஸ்ய இல்லை, அயோக்கியாயாஹ. இல்லை கிராமர் ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, ஏன்னா ஸ்திரீலிங்கம் ஆச்சு இல்லையோ மாயா. லக்ஷண அயோக்கியாயாஹ மாயாயாஹ lakshana akadhanam. I am not telling about the description of Maya. Lakshana akadhanam. I am not talking about that description of Maya. What I say, anirvachaniyam. Therefore, don't ask me. It is inexplicable. Lakshana akadhanam. Katham asmakam dosham bhavati. How can you say it is a dosha? It is a mistake. How can you say it is a mistake? When it is not having any explicability, not explaining it about that which is ayogyaha, ayogyayaha, mayayaha, how can you say it is dosha, I am hiding, I am escaping? How can you say? If it is having some descriptions that Maya is having, if you argue or if you find a fault in me, I can accept. But this Maya doesn't have any lakshanam to describe. How can it be a dosha? Therefore, akadhanam katham asmakam doshaha bhavati. Inexplicable world alone we call as Maya. Inexplicable world, W-O-R-L-D. I hope you can grasp it, because L, R silent. World sollakudadu illiyo. World. The inexplicable world alone we call it as Maya. Therefore, what you have to do now? Take this Maya as a question mark. Don't take it as an answer. It is not my answer. It is only a question. Maya is a word used. Used for what? Questioning of satta of the world. Maya, the word is used by me. It is questioning. I am questioning you, the Purapakshi. I am questioning you. What? Questioning, what? I am questioning the existence of the world. Maya. Whenever I say the Maya is a question mark, it indicates it is a questioning of the existence of the world. That means what? I am questioning you, questioning the existence of the world. You are saying Jagad Asti, Jagad Vastu, Jagat Sat, Jagat Satyam. You are asking me, tell me, what is your opinion? I said Maya. It's a question. What did you mean by question? What it means? Questioning the existence of the world. I am asking you, is there a world? Instead of asking, is there an existent world? Is there a world that existent? Instead of asking like that, I am putting 2 letters word. What? Maya. Maya means, may you inquire into its existence and artham. I don't mean it is an answer. I don't mean it is an answer. You have mistaken. It is your mistake, great mistake. What? My utterance of Maya word, you are taking it as an answer and blaming me. Ayogyayaha Mayayaha Katham Lakshanam Vaktum Shikyate. I need not answer. I am putting a question to you. Questioning, may you question the existence of the world. May you question the existence of the world. That is the meaning of Maya. I am putting to you. You are taking it as answer. This is the first time you are listening. I am also revealing first time. Okay. The occasion should come, Maya discussion. So, our answer is this only. We are putting a question. We are putting a questioner into inquiry. We are putting a questioner. Who is questioner? Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Sankhya, Yoga, Buddhist, everyone, they are questioning us. He is a questioner. We are putting a questioner into an inquiry. What inquiry he has to do? World is there or not? May you inquire. May you inquire. Idella sollamale, na enna sonne? Maya. Anirvachaniyam. Since it is anirvachaniyam, I am putting you the questioner, into an inquiry of the existence of the world. Now, what will happen, once you start the inquiry to do inquiry into the existence of the world, you want to solve the problem. What is this world? When did it come? How did it come? What is the purpose of this? You want to get answers for all this? Yes? That is his assumption. You want to get answers for all your questions. When you want to inquire into that world, you won't get answers. You won't get solution. The world get dissolved. The world get dissolved. Once you inquire into the world, its existence, instead of getting solution, it is not solved. Your questions are not solved or your doubts are not solved, but that on what you are inquiring, it get dissolved. What is the best example? Suddenly, I gnapakam vandathu. Doll, salt doll, robo madri, salt doll. It has got a good nice idea. One day, one good morning, the salt doll has got an idea. Let me go and see the depth of the ocean. Let me go and see the depth of the ocean. and it has done lot of inauguration function and all, everything. Now it is telling everyone, see all of you, I am going to dip into this ocean to see the depth of the ocean. And everybody is clapping, all the best, all the best, all the best. They are all clapping. Now this doll, salt doll, slowly entering the ocean to see the depth of the ocean. What will happen? Will it come back with the depth? How much it has got the depth? Can it come back? It has gone to get the solution that to know the depth of the ocean, it gets dissolved. Yudi, Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaiseshika, even scientists, all people who ever accept the world, if they enter into that discussion or inquiry, the world get dissolved, because that is why they never get a clear answer. Next sloka. One correction is there in 138. First word, chodye should be there, and dye is not properly printed. Chodyepi. Chodyepi yedi chodyam syat. Tvachodye chodyate maya. Pariharyam tataschodyam. Na punah pratichodyatam. Aru chodyam varudhu. Don't ask a question about Maya and 6 questions are coming. Chodyepi yedi chodyam syat. Chodyepi means my question. Siddhanta Vidyaranya is asking him. Chodyepi means I gave that word, I uttered a word Maya. I don't mean it is my answer. It doesn't mean it is an answer, but you are taking it as an answer. Chodyepi, upon my Maya word, when I told you, chodyatam syat, chodyam syat, if you put a question. That means what? You the Purapakshi badla enna sollalam? Jagadvastuvadi. You the Jagadvastuvadi, chodyepi chodyam syat. You are putting a question upon my question. Chodyepi, Maya is a question mark. Maya is a question mark. On this question mark, what you are doing? You are putting another question. How can you put a question on question? Some answer. Upon the answer only you have to put the question. Chodyepi chodyatam syat. Chodyam syat. Then what will happen? Tvat chodye maya chodyate. Tvat chodye. In front of your question, I put another question. Tvat chodye means in front of your question. Maya chodyate. Another question will be asked. Or question will be asked by me. Maya chodyate. Podma? Confusion ki? Because Maya is a question mark. You do not know that it is a question mark. You are taking it as an answer. Not knowing that it is a question mark, really speaking, you are putting a question upon my question. Upon my question is what? Maya is my question to you. You are the questioner, whom I am putting you into inquiry of the existence of the world. It's my question to you, but you are asking, what is that Maya? Describe. You are asking another question upon my question. If you ask like that, what shall I do? Tvat chodye, upon your question, second question, chodye, maya chodyate. Again I will ask you another question. For question, on question, there is no answer. My question, and you have put another question on my question, and you are asking me an answer. Okay? And what shall I do? I put another question. Once you put me a question on my question, I also follow you only. I will put a question on your question. Tvat chodye maya chodyate. Tvat is a yushmat shabdaha. Dakarantaha Trishulinge. Some diversion, let me have. Trishulingesha samana rupaha yushmat shabdaha. Tvat panchami vibhakti ekavachanam. Otherwise, tala vidichadu. Tvat chodye maya chodyate. Say, question upon question upon question. Again, what you will put a question. Again, I will put a question. What will happen? Unending, unending, an infinite regression comes. Anavastha dosha. Tataha, therefore, chodyam pariharyam. Chodyam pariharyam. The question must be pariharyam. You find an answer to my question. Pariharyam means you find an answer to my question. Tataha chodyam pariharyam. Chodyam kim? Maya. Maya is a chodyam, is a question asked by me to you. Therefore, what you have to do? You have to solve that question first. Pariharyam. Pariharyam. You find an answer. Pariharyam means you find an answer upon what? Chodyam. Upon my question. Indicated by Maya. The my question indicated by Maya word, may you find an answer. Don't ask me the question. First to find out the answer. That is the meaning. Na punaha pratichodyatam. Don't ask any counter question. Counter question. I have asked Kelvi, Maya, and etc. It is a question. You have to find out a solution and tell me. And don't ask me any counter question. Counter question and question on question is counter question. Question on question is a counter question. Na punaha, again, pratichodyatam. Pratichodya means counter. Prati means counter. Counter question. May you not ask any counter question. Next shloka. Vismayayika sharirayaham Mayayaschodya rupatah Anmeshah pariharosyaham Buddhimadbhih prayatnatah. See the brilliancy of Vidyaranya. Great acharyas, really. Admire. Vismayayika sharirayah mayayah chodya rupatah. This 139th verse, this verse is an explanation or commentary. Commentary upon what? Upon Maya Rupa Chodya Pariharyam. In that previous Shloka 138, second line, Tataha Chodyam Pariharyam. Tataha Chodyam Pariharyam means Maya Pariharyam. May you find an answer to my question. What is the question? The question is Maya. Maya is the question. That question, may you find out an answer. For that, Tataha Chodyam Pariharyam ki explanation. This is Shloka. And the word commentary. What is this Maya? This Maya, Vismayayika Sharirayah. mayaya. It is of the nature of. This description, this is not a description actually. It is not a description. Vismayeka Sharirayaha. Sharirayaha means here it is of the nature of. It is an embodiment of. Vismayam. Vismayam means wonderstruck. What do you mean by wonder, you know? Wonder is that which stultify your intellect. Wonder is that when it stops your intellect to function. It's called wonder. We went to see Niagara Falls. Really wonder. What do you mean by wonder? My intellect is stopped functioning. What is this? How is this? Intellect stopped functioning. You cannot think about that. That is called wonder. Ascharyam. Ascharyam. Wonderstruck. Wonderstruck is that, or wonderment is that when your intellect is stop functioning and artham. Adi madre, once you ask for a world, when I said Maya, it is illogical. It is illogical to ask about the world. How did it come? When did it come? What is the purpose of this world? All these questions are illogical. All these are illogical. Why they are illogical? When it is not there, whatever answer you give is illogical or not. One person to tie the ships and all, they use a rope, you know. What type of rope? Very thick rope. It is like a thorns, no? It is not ordinary rope. It is a very rough rope. And a person saw that and he gone near to that rope and he got hurt. And in semi-darkness, he saw that is a snake. And he got hurt also because it is very rough, no? After that, I got snake bite. And snake bite, because of that only I got pain. And what type of medicine I have to give? Anti-venom. Anti-venom or injection for a snake bite. Snake bite, what type of venom I have to give? You have to see what type of snake it is. It is a black cobra or green cobra. What type of snake? After seeing that only venom can be decided. Anti-venom can be decided. So he is finding out it should be what color it is. What is it logical? Is it logical of this thinking? What injection to be taken and what medicine to be taken? Anti-venom. So to find out that, I have to find out the type of snake. To find out the type of the snake, he is struggling. Is it required? All these are not illogical. I got a snake bite. I have to take anti-venom. That anti-venom can be decided by the nature of the snake. All these are illogical or not? Tell me. Why? All they are illogical. There is no snake bite. He thinks there is a snake bite. But that bite is not because of snake. But he thinks. Because of this wrong thinking, he is thinking about anti-venom. Because of that wrong anti-venom thinking, he is thinking about the snake, its color, its size, what type of snake it is. All these are meaningless. All these are meaningless. Like that, when did it come? World. How did it come? What is the purpose of the world? All are illogical. Why? Not there. Whatever you think, you plan, you write books and books on the world. Shastra looks at that person. There are people that give description about the world. And scientists go on and they are doing a lot of research. Shastra says, why you are struggling? You don't get any answer. For illogical research, logical answer kadikam. World itself is an illogical because it is not there, which is not existent. Upon that you are doing research. And the research papers you are struggling and breaking head, uncertainty principle. Finally, maybe, this maybe, that maybe you put. And the maybe and anartham, doubtful dane. So you are giving answers, what doubtful answers. What research is that research? So the whole thing is illogical. That's why all are non-thinking people and cholluvam. Whenever we say non-thinking, Swamini, how can you say non-thinking? We are all thinking only, no? Your basic assumption itself is wrong. When your basic assumption is wrong, everything is born, everything is real, and you want to give description, adukku solution, pariharam, na kudukkanum. Edu illadadukku vandu na pariharam kudukkanum. Is it not illogical? For that sake, what will you do? Like on the doctor madri. A doctor, or patient, Chinmayananda Swamiji says, or he thought that some bug has gone into his ears, some small insect. Just it was moving here and it has gone. It was driven away actually. But he is feeling still some bug is there inside. And he rushed to the doctor. Doctor, I have got a bug insect in my ears. Then doctor has checked everything. Light in la pote, there is no bug, no insect at all. No, doctor, it is there, I am feeling. Then what doctor has to do? This person. He is not going, he is occupying the seat. It is there, doctor, how can you say it is not there? I am feeling inside. Then doctor says, okay, sit down. I will take it out. Then doctor brings the syringe water, the syringe with water, and we pour the water inside, and then he asked him, bend this side, and he bent. Then he take the water and put some small insect inside. Now you see the bug has come out. Doctor showed to that patient, do you see? This bug has come. Doctor, this is the bug bugging me. This patient says, doctor says, poitu va. Kshemama iran sonna. All people like this bugging people talking unnecessarily. Vismayayika Sharirayaha. This Maya is an embodiment of wonderment. That is why your intellect is not functioning. Wonderment, no? It is full of wonder. How this world has come. When did it come? How did it come? Oh, people are go on and beg you. Roar like anything they are doing. Maya-yaha chodya rupataha. Maya itself is a question mark. I said Maya is a question mark. Where from I got that? The Maya-yaha chodya rupataha. It itself is a question mark. What is the nature of the world you are asking me? I said Maya. Maya itself is a question mark. Chodya rupataha maya-yaha vismaya. It is a wonder. It is a wonder. Vismaya means here wonder. Maya is of the nature of wonder. Then maya-yaha chodya rupataha means question regarding world. Question regarding world. Maya is a question mark. You are asking a question. About what? World is in that, what is that? In that sloka we saw, no? Nasadasi, no sadasit. Their world is neither sat nor asat. It is sadasat vilakshana. It is third category, what? Sadasat. No, it is not sat, it is not asat, it is not sadasat. Fourth one is what? Sadasat vilakshanam. Podma confusion? Okay. One person say world is sat. Another person say world is asat. Another person say world is sadasat. What we say? World is sadasat vilakshanam. I am more confused now. The student is coming and asking in the next shloka. That question when you raise, that what you have to see the second line. Anveshyaha pariharaha asyaha. Acharya says, asyaha mayayaha pariharaha, solution. Parihara means solution. Anveshyaha. May you find out. You find an answer. You find an answer to the word, to the world which is existent, that you are thinking. The existent world, asyaha mayayaha. World, what is world? I said maya. Asyaya mayayaha pariharaha anveshya. May you find out a solution. Instead of asking, what is this? How did it come? And it's first to find out its existence. Adi paru. In the existent world, idu illiyanu idu paru. Adi paakamale, in this world pathi don't ask. First you talk about its existence, then come later, we will discuss. What type of, first there, snake is there or not, first you verify. Then we will talk about what is black cobra or green cobra, what type of anti-venom you have to take. Adella later paakalam. Adapram paathukalame. Adu irukku illiyo paru first. Illiya? Correct thane? பாம்பு இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு பாருப்பா ஃபஸ்ட்டு. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஸ்னேக் பைட்டு, மெடிசின், ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம்னா. நீ அது பார்க்காமலே என்ன மெடிசன் எதுக்காக வை ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங்? ஹவு டு சால்வ் திஸ் வேர்ல்டு ப்ராப்ளம்னா? வேர்ல்டு இல்லை, ப்ராப்ளம் எங்கே இருக்கு சுவாமினி? இது மாத்திரம் அங்கீகரிக்க வேர்ல்டு இல்லைன்னா முடியவே முடியாது. அதே மாதிரி அதுக்கு தான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆகி சொன்னேன். ஓகே, when Acharya says world is not there, student cannot swallow. For that example only, example is what? There is no snake. When I say no, there is snake, I have got a bite also, I want to take venom, anti-venom, therefore I want to search for what type of snake it is. Okay, go and search now. Now search whether really snake bite is there, you have to take anti-venom or not, then you come to know later. First we have to do what? Whether there is a snake or not. Like that, before asking when did it come, why did it come, the world, why did this world come, when did it come, instead of asking that, is really world exist or not, just to find out. Go and find out and come back to me. I'll sit here only under the banyan tree like a Dakshinamurti. I'll sit here only, you go and come back. I won't go anywhere. Okay, I won't cheat you. Okay, like that doll, salt doll, you won't come back. I know that. I know that you won't come back like a salt doll, because instead of getting solution, it will be negated. The world will be dissolved. Anveshyaha pariharaha asyaha. Who will do that? Buddhimadbhihi prayatnataha. Buddhimadbhihi, by thinking people. Wise people means vivek, thinking people. Buddhimadbhihi, it is a passive voice. Buddhimadbhihi prayatnataha is a very significant word. Prayatnataha means with a right pramanam. Right means prayatnataha, with a right means pramanam, with a right pramanam. Sannapya sannapyubhayatmikano bhinnapya bhinnapyubhayatmikano sangapyanangapyubhayatmikano mahadbhuta nirvachaniya rupa. In Viveka Chudamani, in Nididhyasana slokas, Acharya gives the description of this Maya. It is Sat, neither Sat nor Asat or Sadasat or Sadasat Vilakshana. All these are inexplicable. Now, the student is asking question 140. Mayatvameva nischeyam iti chetarhi nischinu loka prasiddha mayayah lakshanam yattadikshatam. Mayatvam eva nischeyam. Student is, after listening 138, 137, 38, 39, the student is so much confused. I conclude nischeyam. I conclude finally this everything is Maya. Everything is Maya. I am very much confused. I am not able to say it is Sat, or Asat, or Sadasat, or Sadasat Vilakshanam. This is jugglery of words. Whole thing is jugglery. Shabdajanam Maharanyam Chitta Brahmana Karakam. Inna Guru, hey Guru, enna idu. Mayatvam eva nischeyam. Finally I conclude this is Maya. Adane na chollindirken. Mayatvam iti nischeyam. Iti. Suppose you are not able to find out any solution, I will tell you what you have to do. I will help you. May I will help you? I will help you. Iti chet. Tarhi, then nischinu. May you listen, may you hear, may you apply here also what? He is going to say nischinu, nischi dhatu, nis upasarga purvaka, chi dhatu. 5 you, lot madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Then you try to understand. Nischinu means may you try to understand. You are confused, no? Let me give that clear understanding to you. How loka prasiddha mayayaha lakshanam yat tat ikshatam. In loka, the world, indrajalam asti kila, mayaya. Illa maya irke, maya jalama irke. In the radio, in Sanskritam news and all, they say, in the internet, enna solluvan theriyumo? Antarjatiya jalika. Jalika anna net. Antarjatiya jalika anna internet. Adu oru translation. Sanskritam translation. Enna solla mudiyum? Net na jalam and artham. So, adu madri loka prasiddha mayaya. In lokam also world, whenever it is not clear, whenever we are not able to decipher what it is, what word we use? Innappa, Maya irke, Maya jalama irke, nu solrom illaya? Adha vijarandu sollar. Loka prasiddha mayayaha. Onnume puriyaliye. We are not able to understand anything. Whole thing is like a magic. You go and ask that magician when he is in the Gogia Pasha, A.C. Sarkar, very famous magician, not musicians, magicians. These magicians, you are seeing that magic show. Okay, he is doing magic. And you go near that magician and ask, what is this magic? Hey, don't ask. This is why it is magic. What is magic? You don't ask. It is a magic. If you ask that what is this magic, it is not a magic. It is not no more a magic. Magician only knows the magic. Isn't it? Magician only knows the magic. In world also, worldly parlance, we are using this word Maya. When you use this Maya word, tell me. In the world, normally, loke prasiddham. In what circumstances, under what conditions you use the Maya? When you are not able to explain anything. Magician, suppose, how you have created a woman? How you have cut the woman? Suppose you ask him, what he can say? Hey, I have not cut the woman. I have not cut the woman at all. No, I am seeing you are cutting. That is your bhranti. Yes or no? Carefully listen. That person separating the woman. This head, stomach part, this side, legs, the down part of the body, this side going, both are separated, moving also. And he is standing in between. And you go and ask, what is this? You ask, how can he explain? What he says? It is not real. It is Maya. He can explain, no? He can explain. Why he is not explaining? No magician will explain what about his magic. Why he don't explain? There is nothing to explain. Many birds are coming, pigeons are coming. Explain about these birds. There are no birds to explain. Magic is that when you cannot explain, but it appears. It appears or not? 3,000 rupees ticket, 3 hours show. And you are seeing everything. Water is pouring. Ganga water, he says, is gone. I went one program. He is pouring water continuously coming. Jug fully putting, water is coming. Where from water coming? I go and ask him, tell me how water is coming from the jug. He looks at me. Can he give answer? He says, it is a magic. It is a Maya. Loka prasiddha mayayaha lakshanam yat asti tadeva ikshatam. In this, with regard to this world also, same. May you apply here also. Then student feels. That means it is sattu, asattu, sadasattu, sadasattu, vilakshanam, all are useless. The words are useless. Shastra says, no. It is not useless. Words cannot liberate, but the word meaning liberate. Even words are jugglery. Whole thing is jugglery. Words cannot liberate it. Words meaning can liberate. Just like to teach a lesson to the student, Guru asked, my dear student, bring a glass of water. Then with a tumbler he brought the water. And Guru with the weldy glass, okay, with the full design. And Guru has to say, hey, why you are bringing a tumbler? You have to bring only water. Then student looks at the teacher. Hey Guru, how can I bring water without tumbler? Isn't it? The student see the water, the content is important, not container. Container is a carrier of the content. Content is important. You should not suppose while bringing the water, the student is bringing water because Guru's tumbler, it's very neat and very nice design and all, some gifts they give. And the student என்ன பண்றான்னா கொண்டு வரும்போது வெளியில பார்க்கறான் இதெல்லாம் இந்த எப்படி இருக்கு எல்லாம் water gone down. Water gone. That means what? You are not careful of water. You are so much careful about tumbler. Adu madri many students are carried away by the words, not the meaning. Therefore be careful. Don't carry away by the words. Upanishadic mantras, sutras, vyakaranam, mimamsa, tarka, vedanta, words are all jugglery. Don't carry away by the words. Words can never liberate the person. That's why many people won't get liberation. I will tell you. Because their mind is filled with shabdam, words, no place for artha. No place for artha. Where is the place for artha to grasp, to understand? No time also, because we are busy with the words. Prathama vibhakti are busy. Dvitiya vibhakti. Enna case, enna voice, enna participle. Poch, tarkam, enna logic. Adu edukku unakku? Content alone liberates, not container. Shabda is required. Without water is compared to artha. Enjoy. Keep that tumbler outside. Tumbler outside, I put in matti patra, throw out. All Vedam, Shabdas, mantras throw out after taking the meaning. But unfortunately, 99.999% of people are carried away by the Shabda lifelong because it is mesmerizing, like fascinating. Words, language, eloquency. People look at the person also in same vision. Inga stuff illa. because they were fully occupied, there is no place for artha. Ascharya, ascharyo vakta kushaloscha labdha. Very rarely students receive the content. Therefore, my dear student, don't have any agitation and excitement. May you listen carefully for a length of time. I have to use the words. Don't carry away with the words. I have to communicate, give the content to you. Don't follow the words too much. That is my problem. My job, using the words. You don't bother about the words. You take care of meaning, not the words. Words jugglery maya and teacher kada avan tindanatam. Teacher tindanatam. Namak edukku. Suppose you want to become a teacher, then you use the words. But student, as a student, I have to take the what? Meaning. To get liberation, not words. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.